Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock GE T&D India Limited, which is formerly called Alstom T&D Limited. It's a good company. It's based on electrical utilities, and the sub-industries comes under electrical utilities, and the main industry come under utility services. So the stock gave a breakout from the downtrend and accompanied with a good accumulation zone, that too in a very tight range. So the breakage of the range will cause a huge volatility in the stock. The volatility always doesn't mean only the fall, it also shows the potential of the stock to rise from the down range. So let me analyze the stock on monthly basis. This is the monthly chart. The stock on listing got a hype here and started falling drastically from the price range of 400 to the price range of around 50. So it's almost 90 percentage of the wealth is lost, but the stock shows a bullishness right now. And by analyzing the volumes are quite increasing and stable and very good at the bottom level. So it's a good stock to go long, and the financials of the stock is also good. So now let's analyze the stock. So let me draw the major lines that govern the stock. So this can be taken as the major resistance trend line for the stock, and the stock gave a breakout here after a good retracement, and now the stock is forming a good accumulation zone. So this can be considered as a good accumulation zone for the stock, and the stock now trying to break out the accumulation zone. So it's a good sign to go long. And now let's move to the weekly chart to analyze the chart further. So look at the chart from the breakout. The prices are just tried to move up, but it failed and came back to the 50-day moving average, and the prices are not falling behind the 50-day moving average. So it's a good sign, and the candles that formed below 50-day moving average is very small, and tiny candles always shows a favor to the current trend. So this can be taken as a good manipulation done in the stock. So after a small manipulation, the stock started moving higher. So these are the places where big investors or buyers are buying or accumulating the stock. So after a fall from the price range of 400, the stock bottomed here and in the good accumulation zone right now, and the stock also has potential to give a great return on the near term basis. So now let's move to the daily chart to analyze the price target in the stock. Before moving to the daily chart, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you will get the notifications of the videos published immediately, and feel free to comment below your queries and doubts, and join us in Telegram to grow together. So now let's move to the daily chart. So this is the daily chart of GE T&D Limited. So it's a good chart with good technicals. So this can be taken as the demand zone, this can be taken as a supply zone. The stock first tried to move higher here, it failed, and it tried to move higher, but it sustained for a bit longer, and once again the stock tried to move higher, but it failed and came to the lower range, but the buyer somehow pushed the price to the higher range. So this shows a higher highs are forming, but and now it formed a new higher high. So it's a good stock to go long, and if the stock came below the price range of 120 or 125, it's a good buying opportunity. It's almost a great buying opportunity because the stock's momentum is moving higher and higher. So the stock will not come to the price range below the 120 or 130 because the buyers are very strong in the stock, and the stock also gave a breakout from the supply zone. So this can be taken as a good sign for going long in the stock. And let me use the fib extension tool to analyze the price target in the stock. So let me use this as the swing low, and let me use this as the swing high, and let me use this as a retracement. So the stock touches the first target after a retracement. So one can take entry above the price range of 150. So 150 can be taken as the price entry, and 167 can be taken as the first target, and 189 around 190 range can be taken as the second target, which is almost a target for the stock. So I suggest a price entry above the price range of 150, and 190 can be taken as the target for the stock. It's almost 27% upside from the current market price. So it's good to go long in the stock because it gave a breakout and gave a accumulation. After a accumulation, the stock starts moving higher. So it's good to go long, and the stock also broke the supply zone, and now it's heading towards the ceiling. So you can go long because look at the retracement candle. The retracement candle shows a big positive for buyers because the candle almost closed off body. So the buyers are present in the stock, and the buyers are not letting the price to pull down to the ground level. So one can take entry above the price range of 150, and 190 can be taken as the first target for the stock. So that's all for today. If you like the video, smash that like button and make sure you subscribe to our channel. And finally, thank you for watching our videos.